Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sliding grill door. First, carefully measure your opening's dimensions, noting both width and height. This precision ensures a perfect fit for your new door. Next, decide on your materials. Aluminum offers lightweight durability, while steel provides robust security. Think about the track system too. A good one ensures smooth, effortless operation for many years. Finally, consider the aesthetic and security features you desire. Now, let's gather everything you'll need. You'll want metal tubing or bars for the main frame and the grill's decorative infill. Don't forget the essential hardware: a sturdy top track, a reliable bottom guide, and smooth gliding rollers. For fabrication, you'll need welding equipment, a precise metal saw, and of course, all your safety gear. Lastly, pick up appropriate fasteners, a comfortable handle, and a secure locking mechanism. With your materials ready, it's time to build. Begin by cutting all your metal pieces to the exact dimensions you measured earlier. Then, carefully weld the frame components together, making sure all corners are perfectly square for a professional look. Once the frame is solid, attach your chosen grill infill elements securely within it. After welding, grind down any rough spots for a smooth finish and apply a protective coating to prevent rust. Finally, let's get your new door installed. First, securely mount the top track and the bottom guide to your opening, ensuring they are level and aligned. Next, attach the rollers to the top edge of your completed grill door frame. Carefully lift the door and hang it onto the installed track system. Once it's hanging, install your chosen handle and the locking mechanism. Give it a few test slides to ensure smooth, effortless operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.